Hello Trojans! Want to show you today how to schedule for supplemental instruction. It is very similar to how you've been scheduling for other appointments, but always good to have a little bit of a visual. So if you're in the app, you would go to appointments and then you would click on schedule an appointment, and on the desktop version you do schedule an appointment. Then you would select academic support and then supplemental instruction. Here you would select your SI course, and right now we have SI in CSC 150 and CSC 300. It's going to next ask you for your location, and so your SI leader will be listed behind here, but I do want to remind you, you can go to anyone's session. So if the time that's set doesn't work for your classroom or your section's SI leader, you really can go to anybody's, and you just use the back button to move around. But we're just going to look at Kennedy Center 117 with Jessica. So we'd say Jessica, we'll hit next, and then we would see any availability would come up by moving these arrows, okay? And you can sign up for 1 week at a time. You can make multiple appointments, but you know you want to go before your exam, so I'm going to go Wednesday at 9. And when I hit next, it brings me to this page. This is not a confirmation, not scheduled yet. So it gives you the detailed information. Jessica will tell you anything else here. If you want to tell her a subject you're struggling with, you could write that here. And then you would need to hit confirm appointment. And once you hit confirm, then you'll see success, right? So everything starts from the home page or on your app, getting to that schedule an appointment, academic support, supplemental instruction, the course you'd like, and then again, just pick a leader or a room. East Hall will pretty much be our evening or weekend place, and then Kennedy Center is our daytime weekday places. If you get to a place and there's no sessions offered, for instance, let's say this wasn't here, just hit back, and then you could always either select Max's other area or Jessica's area, hit next, and then those would come in for you. Okay? If you have any questions, please reach out to your SI leader. Thanks.